Hi guys, this is Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring Chettiar Park, which is located in Kodaikanal. And this park has been maintained by government, which provides the visitors with big grassy areas, colorful flowers, and Chettiar Park is an ideal place for the photographers to take beautiful pictures here. It has beautiful landscapes and mountains with the cloudy fog in the early mornings. And this park is located 4 kilometers away from Kodai bus stand, and it is on the way to Kurinji Underwater Temple, and it is the second most important park in Kodaikanal next to the Bryant Park. Here, a lot of visitors also comes, and there is an entry fees which is minimal, like around 20 to 25 rupees per head. And this park is pretty much small, not so huge, where we can cover within an half an hour the entire park. And this park opens every day around 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And it's very popular place for the tourist to enjoy the nature. And in case if you have kids, they have the play area also there where you can have enjoy the time with your friends and families. I leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video of the park too.